So this one exists. So what we did here basically is to hack the walls, take all the wallpapers out. And I like what we're doing here, Baba. You've brought a rad in here, which is good to keep the house warm. You're right, absolutely. In about 4 weeks' time, if we got the finances right, we can absolutely smash it. And I think you've done really, really well here as well, especially having all these challenges. Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I share property investment, property development, personal finance, as well as financial freedom. In today's video, we're here with Mr. Baba Tunde. Baba is managing this project for us. It's a renovation project. So we bought this property as a 4-bed property. We are now converting it into 5-bed property with 2 bathrooms. We're not just converting it as a 5-bed, we're converting it as a 5-bed HMO, meaning we're going to be forcing the value significantly. Instead of renting the property as a whole house, we'll be renting it in a room-by-room basis. So I'm here today with Baba. Baba is going to walk us through and tell us actually what we've done in this property. Come on in. Thank you for bringing us in, Baba. I know I didn't have the time to come and check the project, but today I'm spending the day with you. So yeah, Baba, could you tell us actually what we've done in this property?
Well, basically, when we came into this property, the previous owner, people who bought it, they've already done, majority of some of the first fix, ripping out the electrical. I've already gone on the first fix. So when we bought it, we have to, because based on what we want to do with it, HMO. So what we did, we had to improve on the existing sort of wiring stuff that have been done in the property. And also it's a 4-bed when we bought it, and we just brainstorm and decide what kind of value can we add to the property. Then we realized we got the sitting room was big enough, even though the kitchen is big enough as well. So what we decided to do, we decided to add demarcation to create another room downstairs, which normal standard, which we did, which during tour I can show you.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks very much for that. So basically we bought this property. This property, the previous owner had already started to do work. They've done the first fix, they've done all the rip out. For some reason, I think they panicked a little bit and they were not sure what they were doing, especially when the interest rates were going up. So they were like, whoa, we're not sure. And then obviously we were able to back the property as bargain. So as Baba was just saying, moving on, what we did, this used to be, if you talk us through, Baba, this used to be what?
This particular room was together with the next one. It was a big sitting room, big open plan.
Right, so basically this was a massive sitting room without this wall. We didn't have this wall here. So what we did, because we realized the space can be maximized and we're not in a flood risk area, what we did, this wall here, we cut this wall and we bring in a door. So once we brought that door in, and then we created a stud wall here to divide the room into 2. So now this becomes a massive, lovely first bedroom, ground floor bedroom, absolutely amazing bedroom. So we love it. It's going to be beautiful. So as you can see, they've done all the skimming, all the first fix have been done. We've got the kitchen ready to go. Everything here is all ready. So we were protecting the laminate flooring as well, which is really, really good. We've got the doors. Really and truly, we've maximized this space and make this room becomes a bedroom. So we're gonna walk into the next room that was part of this bedroom. Okay. So you wanna go that, we're gonna stand this way. Okay then. So Baba, what did we do here?
Well,
what was the clever thing? Because I think we did something very clever here.
I think what we did here, there used to be like a sort of chimney in this place. So what we did there, we we boarded this place and we skim it, and then we had to add added enough socket in this place, because this is basically going to be the sitting room in this area, while the other one is going to be an additional room.
Okay, just to add on to that, one of the clever things we also do on top of what Baba just said here, we looked at the property itself. We realized we cannot declare this room here as a bedroom because it is an exit to the kitchen. So what we did then, instead of having as a bedroom, it would have been very tight if you had a wall there. What we decided to do, we declare next door to become a bedroom, and then this then becomes a nice sitting area. And then that would then allow you to nicely walk into the kitchen without actually having to feel that you're moving from a room to a kitchen. And now, because we're doing it as a HMO property, our clients would be sitting there as a sitting room, and then obviously you've got the kitchen here now. The kitchen has already been done. Very, very lovely, lovely, white, bright. First fix is done. The sockets are in, kitchen is going up, laminate flooring has gone down. And what we're gonna do here also, we created a WC downstairs. Obviously, this would be for the gentleman that will be living, on gentle lady, whoever that person may be living into the front room, and then they can easily use the shower. If I can walk you through the shower here. So as you can see here, it's not massive, but it does the job. Okay, we've got the waste for the sink there. We have the toilet going there, and then we've got the rads going there. So it's really, really looks nice. And then obviously it's gonna be an amazing shower, and we're gonna have extractor fans going out as well, don't forget that. And then we're gonna have a door going here, and that could lead the little circulation for the people as well. So you can easily go that way if you wanna go to the back garden. So I think we've done well here. So what we're gonna do here on this part of the kitchen is we're gonna have the sink. The sink is going here, and then that waste pipe goes outside. So super excited, super chuffed about what we're gonna do here. It looks absolutely beautiful, and Papa's done really, really well here to work with the builders and the investor himself. And yeah, so I'm super excited about looking at this property, getting it to finish as soon as possible. But before we get to that, actually, we're gonna go upstairs and see what we've done. So let's go. So talking about upstairs then, Baba, what have we done upstairs, or what are we looking to do upstairs?
Well, basically upstairs, that's where we have upstairs is where we have the existing rooms, where we bought the property. So one of the major things we did upstairs is try improving it. Okay. You know, improving it by adding enough socket. Okay. You know, because it's going to be HMO. So just to meet the regulation, we added enough sockets in each rooms. We added enough sockets in each rooms, and then in the bathroom upstairs here, what we're doing, yes, is this going to be this is going to be a bath. Okay. There's going to be a bath here. There's going to be a toilet here as well, and then we're going to have a radiator here as well on this.
I know it looks a bit confusing if you're watching it, right? Let me tell you now what's going to happen. So the bathtub is going to sit this way. We have the rad going there, and then we've got the sink. We've got the number 2 there, right? That's where you do your business, okay? And then obviously behind Baba there, you can see we've got the boiler there as well. So we're gonna replace the boiler to a brand new boiler. The good news is all the plumbing works is literally centrally there, and it's a good sized bathroom. I love this bathroom. We've got the obscure window ready. We don't need to worry about replacing the window. And also what I love about this property here is the back room. The back room is really lovely, and this nice, amazing corridor. Laminate flooring has been done, skirting has been done, and we've got the architraves going up soon. And the fire door has already been installed as well. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Okay, look at that fire door. It's done really, really well. So with this room then, Baba, this wasn't existing, right?
It wasn't existing, yeah.
So this one exists. So what we did here basically is to hack the walls, take all the wallpapers out, and then do the first fix, okay, of electric, first fix of plumbing, which is there. And then obviously we skimmed the whole property now. We've done the skirting, but literally this room here is ready to rock and roll. All we did is to put the sockets back on, get the door closures here, put a door stop there, obviously change this frame, this window is gone, and then the room is ready to go. Laminate flooring is already down. So you've done really, really well here, Baba. So I can't wait for you to show me the other part. Fantastic. Okay, so moving on. As I said, I like this corridor. I like the laminate flooring. It merges really, really well. Okay, so why did we decide to do laminate flooring, Baba?
Well, because it's going to be, what's it called? It's going to be an HMO. And you want to, so because it's going to be an HMO, just because we're going to have a tenant there. So in order to save cost, I think laminate flooring is the best. Because it's going to last longer because we're going to have a tenant in the house.
Absolutely, because laminate flooring is durable. Like Baba just said, it lasts longer. And again, carpet is a bit hard to look after as well. Once the dirt goes in, it's very hard to soak that in with a hoover. And again, it's energy efficient as well, by the way, because you don't need to get a hoover to hoover this. You can get a brush, a broom, and sweep it, right? It's very easy. Even if you're using a hoover, you just hoover the dust on top of it. You don't have to like struggle to do all that sort of thing. I like this room. Again, all the first fixes have been done. Radiator first fix done, electric is done. Painting I've already started, they've done the first coat. So again here, we're nearly done. All we need is to install the door, get the architraves up, and then close that room, because that will be finished. And I like what we're doing here, Baba. You've brought a rad in here, which is good to keep the house warm. And the clever thing you did also is having a socket there, because most of the HMOs do not have sockets on the landing. When the cleaners comes in, they start to struggle to find where to actually keep stuff. And also, I think we did something in this room as well, Baba. So what did we do here?
Well, basically, this room does not have the right measurement.
Required minimum space.
Minimum space. So we had to like take down the existing stud wall. So we had to move it backward, and then we have to just build another stud wall.
Absolutely. Yeah, so what we did basically, when we were doing the planning, when the architect looked at this room, he realized the room wasn't that 6.5 square meters, I think it was. If I got that wrong, I'll correct it. But it wasn't the minimum space required. So what we did, we nick a little bit of space from the bigger room so we can extend it a little bit in order for it to fit that minimum space. And thankfully, we realized that we're nearly late to do it, but we were able to move that wall slightly to get this room a little bit bigger, and it's a little bit bigger. We've done all the laminate flooring, skirting board's gone up, we've got the rad there, and again, we got minimum of 2 double sockets in this room. Moving into my favorite room, I like the circulation in this property. There's so much circulation, which is very, very good. And as you can see now here, you realize we nicked that wall, because you can see it's very close to the window, right? So what had happened basically, we moved, I think about 2 inch or 3 inch. Yeah, we were off about that. So that's what we did there. And obviously, it's still a double room. It does the job, and it looks absolutely amazing as well. So yeah, so tell us a little bit then of where we are with this property. How long do you reckon we can complete this? And
well, to be honest, we're almost done with this property. So the carpenter is one of the builders working. They've just finished the painting. They just finished the painting after they did the flooring. So we are basically trying to install the kitchen. Once the kitchen is being installed, they're going to, try to check the walls and get it smooth properly, and then we have to give a final coat on the wall, and then we'll just fix complete the remaining flooring. So basically, we should have roughly a month.
Okay.
Just to get this whole job completed on this project.
Yeah, absolutely, because I think we're done here, right? I think we're done here. We have done the first coat of the painting. The second coat should be easy. The doors needs to be glossed. Sockets goes up. The kitchen is nearly finished. Basically, we're gonna be walking down and finish all this stuff. So you're right, absolutely. In about 4 weeks' time, if you've got the finances right, we can absolutely smash it. And I think you've done really, really well here as well, especially having all these challenges specifically to this property. You're able to manage it, calming yourself down to ensure that the property get completed for us to stay on the course. So really, really well done. I cannot wait to come back here and see the property has been completed. So again, if you like this video or any of my videos, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you.